Marikina Shoe Masters. Bulacan Kuya is able to cross half court. Baltasar on the move and nakuha niya 2 points.
Yeah, I think he was there nung last year. That was year 2000, no? Yung huling my rookie year.
Eric Pili.
Okay, natuwa rin ako sa sagot ng kanyang kapatid na manlalaro. Okay, dahil nung tinanong natin siya before the game, double figures na si Joe with 10 points. Sabi niya, may inaayos ng showbiz eh. Di ba? Ang galing yan, mga gusto kong sagot. Di ba? Keeping the private stuff within them, pero hindi niya alam, i-report. Nahungkat eh. Nahungkat ni Andrea.
Pareho, magandang marunong. Joe Gomez Deliano.
Isang dosena na yan.
1 for 2. Karandang. AJ Karandang. JC Karandang rather.
Itong Marikina. Remember, they got beat earlier with a double team. Deliano with a dunk.
No.
Okay, no.
Medyo lipad lang ng kot. Abel. Gets it to Celis. Celis with a jumper. Yes. Jason Celis.
This game started in the last game.
Karandang feeling it. Yes, sir. He's off to a... Goes to Karandang. Puts the ball on the deck. Binigay kay Osicos. A step back jumper is money para kay Ken Osicos. That was under ang rebound. Estasio ngayon. They slow things down. Aaron gets into the lane. The runner is good.
Makikita mo, pinapakita proudly yung mga leading sa pagnanakaw. Sa sports mo lang makikita yan.
Andales with a counter steal. Here's Andales. Binigay kay Montero from the corner. They go to Estasio. Labas kay Landayan. The extra pass to Gama. That's a 3 as well.
Kaya doon, no? Yung depensa ng Bulacan, especially itong si Baltasar. Dahil he felt he closed out hard enough to... Ang daming comparison sa totoong buhay.
Oh, talaga.
Diba?
And our Casajeros knocks down the Dada, able to recover. The one-hander, too strong.
Yun lang, walang safety.
Is away and he will lay it in for 2.
All white shirts inside the paint. That was Tolentino.
Yeah, Al Tolentino. And now with South Cotabato, Celis gets the shooter's bounce. Balde will return to the squad. Casajeros up top to Jexter Tolentino. Not have the numbers. Hinihintay niya si Ojan. He'll drive right. Tolentino with a reverse.
And Marikina right now with that full court press once again.
Celis with a hesitation move and the layup.
Tatlong mga kalaban nila, if the playoffs started today, all 3 playoff teams.
Yep, absolutely. As Pili puts it in. Dada able to protect the basketball. Celis relocates and puts it in for 2. Grainy footage na panood yun.
Back to the game, double drag. Ibanez, pasok.
Galing. Move, inahanap si Big Boy.
Yun lang.
Naagaw ni Joe Ojan is open. Yes! Casajeros. Ojan, the extra pass to Joe. And he puts it in for 2. Estasio. A nice crossover. Jumper. He'll get the roll. Aaron Estasio, 5 points in the contest. They still have a chance here. Baltasar, great fake. Baltasar, strong to the cup.
Yun. Sagot kagad. Ilit yung tira. Yun. Wala. Marikina, atake. 2 versus 3. Panalo yung 2.
Eric Pili, 12 points.
Pinakamagaan na paa. Naging namin, player namin.
Oh, Eric Pili. Stroking it home. Scudeniera.
Nice.
Go. Pili. Lays it in. May kasama pang foul doon. He is feeling it. Binigay muna kay Ojan. Trying to test the D.
Nice.
A big boy Hernandez and Nazar Ojan. Meron ng 8 puntos.
Agaw pa.
There's a fast break. Iniwan kay Joe Gomez
Oh.
del Llano. Oh, the beauty.
And they're having fun.
Ibanez. Yes.
That's a big answer. After a timeout.
Nazar Ojan. Ayos muna kay Joe. He'll pull the trigger. Pasok yan. Montero will drive. Iniwan kay Big Boy. Great pass.
Sa corner. Hinihingi niya yung bola, hindi binigay.
Jude Cordillera will fire and
Ayun.
hit.
Sa kabilang panig naman, unselfish play.
Casajeros too strong on that layup. Balik ang takbo dito sa kabila. Hernandez will finish.
Fastest first quarter, first 5 minutes. Itong third quarter naman parang slowest.
Kaya nga. Celis pulls the trigger. Pasok. Out galing kay Landayan. Here comes Baltasar. Swings it over to Montero. The drop pass to Big Boy Hernandez.
That,
Kaya ko pa. Now with the Shoe Masters Challenge daw talaga sa kanya na sumabay sa mga youngsters ng Marikina. Andun yung pressure. Lahat maliksi at mabilis and at this point, alam naman daw natin, take good care of your body. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat. As Joe Gomez del Llano may sagot agad sa tres ni Karandang. Montero. Now against Ujan. Has the advantage in speed and look at that. Ang ganda ng tapos na yun ni Josh Montero.
what? Nakaagaw pa. 2-on-1.
Escoto gets it to Pili. He'll lay it in for 2.
Ojan from the 3-point line.
Here's Ibanez. Kay Big Boy Hernandez. Great play from Bulacan.
Can we have 3 wishes?
Wala.
Eh, yan pinag-usapan kanina, report ni Andrea, di ba? Naka 46 wishes na tong si Marlon. Karandang daw with a 3.
11-point advantage.
Yun lang.
Baltasar saves it to Karandang. Inside to Big Boy Hernandez. May kasama pang Speaking of the angel,
Oo.
yung kaibigan natin si Mikey Reyes. And that's Nino Ibanez with the layup. The 3-point play. Joe looking for a friend. Nahanap
Nice.
si Pili off the glass and in.
Well, that might be the play.
89-81. Escoto to Pili. That's a 3. That's good. Tingnan mo, nakasmile nga si Adzar eh.
Oo.
Oh, Big Boy Hernandez continues his strong play here in the fourth quarter. O dyan na nakabantay sa kanya.
Switch.
Ibanez with a left-handed scoop.
That's a great read by Ibanez dahil nakita niya nakaseal si Hernandez.
Tandang quickly to Ibanez. He has to take the 3 and knock it down. 6.7 seconds remaining. Pili. Finds Estacio. Iiwas na siya dito from the foul and that will do it.